We're Rachel and Austin, traveling the USA in our Winnebago Revel. We travel with our dog Olympia, who's living her best life. And today, we're out in Delaware, chasing the crabs. The Delaware Bay has the most horseshoe crabs in the United States.
I swear to God, none of these better be able to
We expected a few, but there were thousands right alongside the shipwreck.
I know that it says that pets are prohibited, but I know that puppies can go somewhere, so we will find a spot to take you. Trust me, you don't want to go where we just were. So far, we have seen a massive wolf spider, a big ass snake, horseshoe crabs, which I'm not okay with, and a ton of regular crabs. I don't know what I expected from Delaware, but it was not this.
I think the horseshoe crabs are cool.
Alright, so I'm not entirely sure what a hawk watch is. I assume it's somewhere you can go where you can watch the hawks, like... When we checked in for camping, the guy said, wow, you're gonna be here for the best time. It's gonna be 80 tomorrow, sunshine, before this northeasterner rolls in. Look at the sky. I think we missed the birds. There was a whole bunch of birds out this morning and we didn't come over to the hawk watch and then all the birds were gone. We're going on a trip on our favorite beach in we don't have a rocket ship. We have a van. Straight up would run away into the ocean if we let her. She thinks she's a fish. 4 miles. World War II. The hawk watch that we were just at had a what?
Had a 6-inch barrel cannon gun thing.
To shoot at the ships? Is that why the outlook, so they have these lookout towers right there? And they used to look for the boats. I thought it was just for the hurricanes, like the shipwreck, but I think it was for like bad boats. Oh, no, there's a sign that says there's wasps in there. She's eating. Maybe she's eating another one. Go up there and eat the wasps, lady. Well, there's some. Yeah, see, there's a lot of wasps in there. Alright, so I guess this is where we are going to end today's video in Delaware. Thank you for joining us out here at Cape
Henlopen?
Yeah, that one. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful places in Delaware. It's a little scary to me. The crabs scare me, okay? It's pretty, but I'm scared. Oh, yeah, if you're looking for cool stuff, we got some links down here. Check those out. We'll see you soon. Not really entirely sure what a hawk watch is. I assume it's where you get to watch hawks in the sky. What the fuck is that? It's cricket.
Oh well, it happens. It's like it's nature or something.